Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable door lock on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go into the vehicle options. Now in the vehicle options, we're going to go to window and door. And here, as you guys can see, we got the settings. We want to scroll down until we see door lock. Now here, we can easily disable it, and now our doors will be open. Now our handles will basically pop out, and once we click on lock door, they will hide, and now our doors are locked unless we open them manually with using the button or with our key fob. So that's how you guys can do it. That's how you guys can enable or disable it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.